The Kind Elephant and the Tiny Bird.
Once upon a time, in a green jungle, lived a big elephant named Golu. Golu was very strong, but he was also very kind.
He helped animals cross rivers and move heavy logs.
One day, Golu was walking when he stepped near a small nest.
Please be careful. My babies are sleeping. Oh, I'm sorry.
He gently moved away and guarded the nest from snakes and monkeys. Days passed. One afternoon, hunters came to the jungle and trapped Golu with a net. The tiny bird saw this and flew to her friends. Soon, many birds came and pecked the ropes with their beaks.
The net broke and I am free. Thank you, little friends. Even the smallest friend can help the biggest one.
Kindness is always returned.